AC Banerjee, astrologer. This is common noun. Sugar, countable, uncountable. Sugar, uncountable. Very good. Taylor, which noun? Common noun. Good. Sugar, uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Very good. AC Banerjee, astrologer. Astrologer, common noun. Good. Happiness is abstract noun. Good. Because happiness, it's a feeling. West Bengal, proper noun. Good. Taylor, common noun. Uncountable here. Very good. West Bengal, proper noun. Here, uncountable noun. Taylor, common noun. Good. It's a profession. Taylor. Happiness, abstract noun. Okay. West Bengal, proper noun. Here, uncountable. Okay. Taylor, common noun. Sugar, uncountable. Very good. Banerjee is an astrologer. Astrologer, common noun. Sugar, uncountable noun. Taylor, common noun. But here, uncountable. Very good. Good. West Bengal civil service, proper noun. Happiness, abstract noun. Bah. খুব ভালো হয়েছে। Abstract noun, West Bengal, proper noun. Good. Happiness, abstract noun, West Bengal, proper noun. Here, uncountable. Good. Taylor, common noun. Sugar, uncountable noun. AC Banerjee, astrologer. Astrologer, common noun. Good. Common noun, uncountable, common noun. Good. Abstract noun, proper noun. Here, uncountable noun. Taylor, common noun. Sugar, uncountable noun. AC Banerjee, common noun. Well done. West Bengal, proper noun. Happiness, abstract noun. Good. Happiness, abstract noun. Proper noun. Here, uncountable noun. Taylor, common noun. Sugar, uncountable noun. Very good. Proper noun. Happiness, abstract noun. Here, uncountable noun. Taylor, common noun. Good. Sugar, uncountable noun. Taylor, common noun. AC Banerjee, astrologer, common noun. Very good. Sit down. Abstract noun, proper noun, uncountable. Dash noun, abstract noun. Very good. West Bengal civil service is dash noun, proper noun. Good. Here is dash noun, uncountable. Bah, very good, uncountable noun. Taylor is dash noun. Taylor, common noun. Very good. It's a profession. Good. Sugar is dash noun, uncountable. Very good. Because you can't count it. Very good. AC Banerjee is an astrologer. Which noun? AC Banerjee, astrologer. Astrologer, common noun. Yeah, very good. West Bengal, proper noun. Happiness, abstract noun. Here, uncountable noun. Very good.